Hi guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. As you can see, I'm in my Alice room, as you can hear probably. This is the first time that I'm filming in my Alice room, and I've got a ring light, as you can see, with all the rings in my glasses. I'm still figuring out how this works, what lighting will be the best, if you can hear the sound okay, and so I'm just gonna film this video and we'll find out. So what is this video all about? Well, Alice of course, but look at it. Ta-da! And it's a Build-a-Bear. What does this has to do with Alice? Absolutely nothing. But it does when I have this. Wait a minute. Oh, lots of jump cuts because I need to go underneath a wire to get there. So, okay, here I am again. So I bought this bear because I want him to wear this. Still don't know. Well, you do know. Look at this. It is the Mad Hatter's hat. And it needs to be shaped a little bit because it looks a bit flat. And then you have, just put the bear down. You have, what do you, should I just, you know what, should I just untie all of this? There are those little things in here so it all stays together. But I do you one better. I'm going to put all of this on this bear. Just a second. I need to remember to watch over there because if I watch there, I'm not looking at you. Okay, just a sec. Okay guys, you're not ready for this. Look at this. And there's a cute hatter. Hello. And look at this. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. This hat, oh my gosh, it stays on because you put it around the ears, which of course doesn't stay, but oh well. It's gorgeous, isn't it gorgeous? So I bought this bear especially to use with this outfit because I do have Hello Kitties Build-a-Bears, but I thought Mad Hatter just wouldn't be really nice on the pink Hello Kitty. So I saw it on this bear in the store and I wanted the bear with it. So I ordered this online, and because we don't have a Build-a-Bear in the Netherlands. I don't know why, we just don't have it. Weird. So I saw this in the UK, and of course because of Brexit we can't order in the UK anymore. Well, we can, but it's very expensive. So I had it shipped to a friend of my daughter's and she sent it to us. And it's just so cute. Just look at him. Oh, look at his sparkly bells. It is just so gorgeous. So I've got a Mad Hatter Build-a-Bear. But wait, there's so much more. Okay, so first I'm gonna show you some really cute dresses and stuff. This is an Alice dress. Look at it. Can you see it? Look at it, so cute. It's a cute Alice dress with lots of glitter. So there's now glitter everywhere in my house, in my room, on the stairs, everywhere because it glitters. And then you have this cute glittery bow. And look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. So I want to put this on a Hello Kitty. And I'll do that in just a minute. I'll just put this one on a Hello Kitty. But I've got more. I also have, oh guys, look at this. It is the Queen. I'm not really sure how the sound is when I hold this in front of me. We'll figure it out. First video on my phone with a ring light. So, but look at it. It's the Queen. Look how awesome that is. And the crown, guys, cute little crown. It is a bit flat, so I need to do this, but oh well. So I can put this one on a Hello Kitty. And I also have this. We're all mad here. Yes, it says that. It's a little t-shirt. How can such a huge bear wear something as small as this? Trust me, it works, but... So, yeah. I think you should have... Ooh, I can see that it's trying to focus. Sorry guys, like I said, first time, we'll figure it out. Anyway, you need a cat for this. I mean, don't you? So, wait. I wanted to show you, but there's still a little card on here. I'm gonna cut that off. Okay, so are you ready for this one? Here it comes. Yeah. It's got a huge grin. Look at it. It's so gorgeous. It says... What does it say? Disney, Alice in Wonderland. And over here it says Build-a-Bear. Nope, it says, yes it does, Build-a-Bear. Isn't it gorgeous? And isn't it huge? how is this thing gonna fit with that that little shirt? How is it gonna fit? But it also has a huge tail. Look at it. So you can put it around here. And he can sit on his tail. And I'm not really sure what to do with the tail yet. I think something like this. Or just put it next to him on a shelf. Isn't he gorgeous? Now, of course, I can let this one wear the We're All Mad Here t-shirt. Let's do that for a second. Wait a minute. Where is it? So this little shirt is going to go on this huge cat. How am I going to do that? You can't even see it. With great difficulty. We've got this. This big head needs to go. Sorry, Cheshire. Oh, that's sad. And then you put these paws in here. It's so nice. I'm playing with my Build-a-Bear. Build-a-cat, actually. So I didn't make them myself. Normally when you go to the store, you can help build your bear, or in this case, build your cat. But someone did it for me, and with love, and shipped it over to me. It does fit. Can you see that? It's a huge t-shirt. We're all mad here. Now, I really like this. But I'm looking at myself again. Don't do that. I saw that someone on Instagram gave Cheshire the Queen's dress, and it's so hilarious. So I really want to do that. So what I'm going to do now is get all those clothes on Hello Kitties and give this one the Queen's dress. Because you're going to see, it looks amazing. So I'm just going to dress all my dolls. I'll just play with it for half an hour, and then I'll get back to you with the results. Okay, so I've got this Hello Kitty. Now, this is another Hello Kitty that I have. It is a real Hello Kitty, Sanrio Hello Kitty, and in an Alice in Wonderland dress. Isn't it gorgeous? This is one of my favorite items that I have, but to be honest, look at this. I now also have this Hello Kitty. Look at her. So it's a bit bigger. Oh, a bit bigger. And look how cute she is. So I have a pink Hello Kitty, and now Hello Kitty has got an Alice in Wonderland dress. It's so gorgeous. Now it does also come with this glittery bow, and she's got this bow, but this one doesn't have Velcro on it. It does over here. You can take this off. So it would have been nice if I could have put this over here, but it is made, I think, for bear ears or something, because there's a little elastic band. So I can put it over her ear. Well, it doesn't really work, does it? This is just stupid. So I think I'm just gonna let her keep the bow, have her sit somewhere, and then just put this on her head like this. That's a bit weird, but oh well. Now I still have a Hello Kitty in my Alice room, because I took all Hello Kitty out except for that one. And now I have a Build-a-Bear Hello Kitty in an Alice dress. I mean, look at those sparkles. It's gorgeous, isn't it? I really like it. It's just, yeah, the bow fell on the ground. I think this video needs a lot of editing, and I think my face gets warmer every time you see me. Look, so she's got this. Let's put this back on her head, and then I think I'm just gonna put this on here when she's sitting. That's stupid. That's just stupid. I'm not sure yet. Do you have any ideas? Maybe I can put it over here with a pin. That might be nice, because like this, Hello Kitty needs a bow. It just doesn't work. So for now, she's gonna have a bow. It really goes with her dress, to be honest. But yeah, I think Hello Kitty needs an Alice. Oh, I wanted to put it over here, but that doesn't work either. So yeah, I'm gonna find a spot for these lovely plush, and then I'll just figure out how to do this. Maybe I can put it over here. That's a bow with a bow. That's stupid, Karin, but we'll try it anyway. Oh yeah, no, this is fantastic. This is it. It's an Alice bow. Anyway, this is really cute, but I think I should have bought another bear for this instead of Hello Kitty. So now you have these two. It is the Mad Hatter. He's absolutely gorgeous. Look at him. Look at these two. I'm so happy with this. 55. I'm so happy with this. Okay. But of course you already saw Cheshire and you weren't ready for that, were you? No. Well, you're not ready for this either. Look at this. Okay, now this is another one that doesn't want to stay on. I need to put this crown somewhere, like this. Okay, now this is just, look at it. I think it's so hilarious. I mean, like I said, I saw this on Instagram. Someone had put Cheshire in the Red Queen's dress. Ooh, there goes his crown. And I just thought it was so funny that I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do the same. I think I'll just put this. Once he sits down, I'm just gonna put the crown on and it'll stay on, but now it's gonna fall. But look at it. Isn't it gorgeous? And I need to put the tail somewhere. Oh my gosh, I love this. I can look at this for hours. I need to find really nice spots for this. I do have a bench over there. I'm looking at the bench, but I have pillows and stuff and some plush. I think these are gonna have a really nice place on my bench. So I can't show them all. Well, I'll just put the crown a bit. Oh, I'll just do it like this. Oops. Okay, so what I have is a Hello Kitty Alice with a weird bow. I have this awesome Mad Hatter, and I have an insane Cheshire Cat. Oh my goodness. Ah, we're all falling. They're falling down the rabbit hole. I mean, awesome. This is just awesome. It's even got an underskirt. It's insane. Oh, and I have more. Told you it would be hotter and hotter. Okay, I also bought a pair of shoes. I think this is for Alice. I think I will like it if Alice has a pair of shoes or the Mad Hatter. I'm not sure yet. I do have another set of these because I do have Hello Kitty clothes, because I have 3 Build-a-Bears. One is white. Maybe that will be nicer for Alice. I'm not really sure, although I love pink. And the other one has confetti all over its body, and I think that's a bit too much. Although it is weird and wacky, and Wonderland is weird and wacky. So anyway, I think Alice is gonna have a pair of shoes, and I also have a pair of shoes for Hello Kitty. So that's gonna be for the Mad Hatter. Look at these shoes. I mean, aren't they gorgeous? Look at it. Oh, it's so cute. I also have this one, of course. I can give it to one of my other Hello Kitties, but then there will be 4 Build-a-Bears on my couch and there won't be any room for pillows or me. So I think I'm just going to put this on a little hanger and put it in my collection somewhere. It's really cute. So I also have this. This is when it was made. So the birth date is 8th of April. And it is the Mad Hatter. And well, you can see how tall it is. And fur color is pink. Over here it's brown and over here it's pink. Because this is Cheshire. And it is made, oh, it's stuffed by no one. It's not stuffed. And it belongs to Alice. It's not mine, actually. They belong to Alice. So yeah, you could have these printed out as well, and I thought that would be funny, so I did. So guys, that was it. There goes the crown again. I'm gonna end up with this one because it is just so gorgeous. I love it so much. I hope you liked the video. If you did, you know I would love a thumbs up or a paws up, and I would love it if you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And I can't wait to edit this video because I can't wait to see how often I look at myself instead of at you. And if this goes okay with my glasses, did it go okay? If it did, I need to remember how I put this on here. Okay, I want to make more videos if it works out with this background. Or maybe one of the other backgrounds I have. Of course, I have over there, I have bookcases, and over there I have bookcases. And I think it's nice to have an Alice background for an Alice video. So, and I can show you stuff like this better than on my desk. Although on my desk is really handy to show small stuff, so I'm gonna do that as well. Probably in my next video. But anyway, this was it for today. I hope you liked it. Which one do you like best? I can't show them all again. I can't pick them off the ground. I think Cheshire is just awesome. And I absolutely love the Mad Hatter. I bought the bear especially for the Mad Hatter's clothing because it's just gorgeous. And Hello Kitty is cute as well, of course, because it's Hello Kitty. So that was it for today. I just think it's so hilarious. Okay, well, that was it for today, guys. And Your Majesty. And all that's left to say is, groetjes uit Wonderland. Greetings from Wonderland. Bye. We're all mad here, guys.